This is Alecpea plastic glue. I received this to review for free from the Vine Voice review program. It would normally cost you $8. They have not paid me for my review, and my opinions are my own. So in the package, you have 3 of these little needle applicators. You have the bottle of glue itself, and the little instructions on the back of it. So this brand has various different glues for different materials like silicone, metal, glass. This is their plastic specific glue. I don't know what the differences are between the different glues. It looks very viscous and very liquidy. So we are going to try gluing some googly eyes for my son onto this little case here. And the eyes and the case are both plastic, so I figured that'd be a good test for the plastic glue. So the label on the back here has very small printing. You'll either want a magnifying glass or take a picture of it with your phone to magnify it. It says it is a acrylic ethyl ester, which I believe sounds like super glue. It says it bonds skin instantly, so I'm going to treat this like a super glue. It basically says put a little bit on one surface, press the surfaces firmly together for 10 to 45 seconds, then allow 24 hours for full curing. Alright, I'm using gloves because I do not want to bond my skin permanently to these googly eyes. And I don't know if I'm going to use one of these applicators or not. I'm going to take a look at the end here. I guess I'll try an applicator. Might as well give that a shot. It just fits over the end here. Really, I think just one dot of glue is all I need. So we will see how this works. There's a little dot of glue for this eyeball. I'm going to hold that down for a count of, say, 30 seconds. Magic of time lapse, that's been 30 seconds. Now I just have to get the other eye somewhat symmetrically placed. So I'm going to try to aim for right there, which means I will be putting glue right here. And it bonded pretty fast there. You know, I could slide it on the glue for just a second and then I felt it kind of take hold. So you want to set it down very close to where you want it. Alright, let me count 30 out there. Okay, so we have googly eyes on there. We're going to allow that to cure for 24 hours for maximum strength. Now I just have to figure out how to get this applicator off without spilling glue everywhere. So there is still liquid glue in the applicator. It didn't like suck back down. So I guess I'm just going to pull this out over, well, it really didn't have glue fall out of it. So put this guy back on. And yeah, there's glue still in the applicator. So I think this is a single-use applicator, so now I'm down to 2 applicators. Alright, with that applicator, I did a pretty neat job, got the glue only under the googly eyes. I don't feel like I needed the gloves because the gloves never seemed to touch the glue. I'm sure that if I hadn't been wearing them, I'd end up with my thumb stuck to this thing though. So it seems to be holding on pretty well. I'm going to wait a couple days to let my son play with this, and if they don't come off with my son playing with it, then we'll know it's good glue. Alright, these guys have survived a day and a half with my 11-year-old, so they are pretty sturdy.